Hey beauties, welcome back again to my channel. So on today's video I'll be showing you all two ways of how to twist, which is the root twist and the braided twist from the beginning. So I'll also be adding an extra tutorial to these videos, so keep watching. So this is the color I'll be using for the braided part, and the black one is for the roots part. So guys, you just section your hair to the desired box or whatever section you want, and then for the braided part you'd have to divide the hair into two, just like you're seeing right now. So I divide the hair into two and then took the desired size of what I want, the extra braiding hair, and then I divided the hair into two parts, which I actually just put my 3 fingers, as you're seeing right now on the screen. I used my middle, my index, and my thumb to do this part. So I'm going to be repeating that for you again now. So I used my middle finger to separate the 2 hair I separated, and then I used my index finger to hold it down and then twisted it around the index finger and then tuck it in my thumb. So that's how I used to get that knot. And this style is for a braid. You can use this style for a braid, and you can also use it for your twists when you want to start with braids on your twist. So guys, this extra hair you're seeing right now, I am going to take it to the middle section of the hair. Like, I'm going to transfer it to the middle section of the hair, and this would give your hair a perfect loop and tighter roots. Okay, it will give you a perfect loop and a tighter roots. So this style, you can use it for your regular braids. You don't just use it for this. If you want to braid your hair, you use it for regular braids or a braided beginning for your twist. So guys, after you've braided to your desired length, you're going to divide the middle part of this extra braiding hair into 2 equal parts. You will divide the hair into 2 equal parts and then you start twisting. So guys, I have a very elaborate video for twists, and the easiest and quickest and most meaningful way to explain how to twist is just to twist both sides. While you're twisting the left, you're twisting the right. It doesn't matter what hand you use to twist, just make sure you twist both hands while flipping over or while turning it around. Okay, you don't even have to put it in your pinky finger, just make sure you twist, and that's what's going to give you a very tight twist. So guys, this is how it is, and you see that the roots are very tight, and the tight the twist is also tight. Okay, so I'm going to be going straight to the next part of this video, which is the twist from the roots. Okay, and I'm going to just section it regularly. I don't really have a pattern, I just wanted to show you all. So I just sectioned it a box section, and then I divided the middle like I did on the first part. So these examples, or this way I'm showing you, are for beginners. Okay, and I mean, if you're a pro, you could also still use this style, but yeah, they're also for beginners as well, because actually I don't really divide my hair into 2 if I want to braid. So I'm going to divide them into 2, and then for this hairstyle I would put the black hair on top of the other hair, and then I twist. I put the extra braiding hair on top of the natural hair, and then I twist. And while I twist, I do the same to the left, but I don't twist too much. Then after I've like gotten a good grip of the natural hair together with the external hair, I twist tightly again. So while you're twisting, you're making sure that you hold and secure it tightly to the root so it doesn't pull off. I don't know if I'm making sense, but that's exactly how to do this. And this twist is literally like one of the tightest, and it's the most beautiful because you don't get to see no braids. It just starts from the root twisted. Okay, so that's how to do this one. You just keep doing it, although trust me, the twist from the roots is a bit taxy, and but I bet you, or I promise you, once you get to know how to do this, it will surely pay off. Okay, so now this is the part where I told you I was going to add extra video. Now I'm going to show you guys how to add your extra braiding hair when it becomes very little at the tip. So guys, when it comes to the parts where your hair is thinner and the other part is bigger, just borrow your hair or hair strand from the dominant hand you used to twist, and then flip it above the other twist and just keep braiding. Do not let go, because when you let go, no matter how professional you are, it's going to unravel or like get loose. So just keep twisting and do not let go. So you borrow from your dominant hand. It doesn't really matter which hand you're dominant or you twist with, just make sure you borrow from the one that does the most twisting. Okay, so guys, this is how everything looks. As you can see, this is how tight it looks for the whole braids, for the whole twist, and how the roots are tight. And this is just a mannequin head. Imagine if it was in a natural or human hair. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I love you all. Bye.